All right, guys, check this out. We've got the LZ0 parked in front of the PPE building because I'm down here for SEMA. They just unveiled an intercooler kit for the Duramax Diesel. And look what we got, guys. Look what we got here. This is the kit, fresh, just unveiled at SEMA. We're doing it. Look, it's got, let's just take stuff out. How about that? So what I want to get down to is this bracket. This bracket is a huge deal because it's a complete replacement bracket. So you can fit that giant intercooler in there. But I know you want to see the intercooler because if you haven't seen it yet, the sheer size of this thing in bags, I wasn't prepared for this. Bear with me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But yes, the bracket, complete replacement bracket. So it's all going to fit on the factory setup. Let's go under the hood real quick so I can show you. Here it is. So there's the factory intercooler. Here's the bracket that I'm talking about. So it's going to be perfectly molded to fit over the valve cover with all the factory stuff. The NOx sensor is going to be retained and it's going to be just in an alternate location. The whole wire harness, everything is going to be able to be clipped back in place. That's the big deal about this intercooler kit, obviously from PPE. Super rad. They're right down the street from the SEMA show. Again, the size of this thing is humongous. The bracket makes it so that you can have it. Available in multiple colors. I have a video showcasing the colors. Let's get home and install this.